Any investment has a certain amount of risk. Anywhere in the world, you have a certain amount of risk. Mozambique would not be an exception. It has also a certain amount of risk. But for me, this risk is extremely limited. And if you look at the portfolio of Zero Investment, we only look at medium-term investments and also infrastructure investment. So we're not investing in commodities that can disappear or can have a huge immediate problem, and then you end up having your commodities that you have to sell at half of the price. So by investing in infrastructure and real estate and properties that even if the metical depreciate, in fact that is an extra advantage, because that will mean that we'll be able to build at a much lower cost right now, and the amount of the value of the international investor is much bigger to do that investment. And on a medium long term, of course, the inflation will pay back extra revenue for those who have invested. So yes, there is some small risk. I personally don't see major investment risks on the medium long term. There may be some incidents, very localized and very in certain areas that the government is dealing with. And with the amount of investment that has already been made in Mozambique, and with the willingness of the people of Mozambique that everything must move in peace and go forward, I don't foresee opportunity for big impact and a situation where the investors really pose a risk for the return on a medium and long term.